Hey guys, did another one bite the dust? My goodness, the carnage continues. And the one I'm gonna be talking about, I'm gonna give you a moment to read the disclaimer, and we'll get right to it. All right, guys, let's get to it and do it. So yesterday, we lost BIntrust, ASAP Air, Revive, and now it looks like the carnage has continued with AplexTrade. AplexTrade looks like it has left the building, folks. It looks like it has left the building. And let me kind of give you a timeline of what I saw happen this morning. Early this morning, they made an announcement here that guess what, guys, going forward, we will not be returning your capital. So before that announcement, if you wanted your capital back, you could get it. There were certain parameters between things like 24 and the 14th day, it was like 25%. And then from the 15th day to the end of the plan, it was like another 15%, or I think it's 15, 25 and 15, I believe. But you can still get it back. You can still get your capital back. Well, they announced, hey, that's off the board. We're not doing that no more. Not just for new members, for everybody. You're just stuck. You're just stuck. So understandably, there were some people who were concerned about that because that does raise your risk limit, because it's a lot riskier if you have to push it that full period as opposed to having the out to be able to take it out. So that increases the risk. So people were understandably upset and concerned, and they voiced their opinion. Well, a little bit further down the line, people were also noticing that, I put in the withdrawal for one amount, but when I got it, it was another amount, and it wasn't like that before. That just looks like that just started happening. So I put in the withdrawal for $20. I really got 15, and so no, we didn't charge any fees. That's not us. That's your processor. I don't know what they changed on their end, but we're not doing it. It wasn't our fault. So I don't know, you need to take that up with them. So once again, people were understandably upset. They was getting the withdrawal, but it went all the withdrawal. Red flag number 2. And then it just kind of, the chat kind of went wild, and it went all over places, and they started doing some weird things in there. And yeah, won't be able to unsee some of that stuff. And then at some point, the chat just shut down. As you can see it, and they've deleted all the messages, even the pinned messages that were here. And so we're going to have to call it. We're going to have to call AplexTrade dead. This is a rug. They have rugged. But let me check something out. And the reason I wanted to shoot this video so early, because here's what I noticed when I looked at it early, is when you go to AplexTrade, and if you want to still make a deposit, you can. So let's open a deposit. Let's do the perfect money. I don't even have it, so don't worry about that. I'm going to do 25. I think that's the minimum. And pay from wallet, open the deposit. Use the perfect money. And confirm principal return. Yes, even told you you're going to get that principal back. Principal draw not available. They updated that. They let you know, hey, you'll get it back, but you can't withdraw it early. We have no fees for this operation, so let's see if we can still process it. So yeah, they'll still take your money. They'll still take your money, but guess what? Yeah, and I don't think you can get back out of here, can I? Yep, there we go. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Follow, do your own due diligence and only invest what you can afford to lose. And if you want to invest in AplexTrade after what I've shown you, hey, it's on you. That's on you. It's for me in my house, I'm not doing it. Too many red flags, and they've completely wiped out the Telegram group, just completely wiped it out. As I said, you can't get your principal back. They're saying they're going to give you back at the end of the term. Yeah, if you believe that, good luck with that. Fortunately, I don't even have anything I can withdraw, and I don't even know if I can get it if I try. But there is good news. There's one platform that has survived the carnage, and that platform is Wisebank, the wise people at Wisebank. So far, they have they have upheld the challenge. They are still here. Let me tell you about Wisebank, and we're gonna do a withdrawal because I just feel this morning. I just feel like I need to have some money in my hands. This has just been a crazy few days. All right, this is day number 4. Still deposits. I mean, the deposits still looking good. Their draws are still looking good. We like seeing that. Here's another thing. I like the fact that even though it's an hourly, they have a short plan. So it's only 15 days. Total return, 198%. Minimum offer is $20, maximum $200,000. Here's just what I've been seeing is a lot of the platforms that have these multiple offers, they don't tend to last very long. Not saying that this one will. It could, hey, it could go today too. But when platforms have those like multiple offers, they really just don't seem to last that long. I just think it's too many moving parts, and I think some of the offers are just to entice people to get the money in the door to hopefully be able to pay out. And then when that stops happening or doesn't happen quick enough, or there's some kind of blip in the system, it's like, okay, we're done. We've got our money. Let's go play in some other yards. And so I think that's what you see happening in a lot of these platforms. And so, hey guys, AplexTrade, I'm calling it. I'm having to sign a certificate, calling them. We had to call it at 7:57 a.m. Central Standard Time. I think it's dead. But Wisebank is still here and delivering. And while we are here, I just feel the need to receive. And we're going to do what I believe we can do. Okay, yep, withdraw. I'm gonna go here. I don't think I have enough to withdraw for Bitcoin, but I just tell you, I receive everything. Every amount is a gift. I'd go get that Bitcoin if I could. Every amount is a gift. So let's go get it. Okay. All right, let's go get it. I'll take it all. Oh, okay. Even with that, I'm sorry. I think the minimum amount for all of them is $5. So okay. Anyway, I'll do that next time when I can get it. I can get it out. But anyway, it is still paying because I have just received a withdrawal just yesterday, not too long ago. But Wisebank is still here, guys. As I said, AplexTrade has left the building. We're going to call that a wrap. We're going to call that one a wrap. And if you want to be part of Wisebank, make sure you click the link in the comments and in the description. And if you want more updates, whenever, these things happen, you try to be right up on it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell. And if you got some value from this video, make sure you hit the like button. That's always appreciated. Wisebank for the wise people. Still rocking and rolling, still here. And with that being said, guys, we'll see you. This is Sean Hill, the Passive Income Coach, and we'll see you on the next video.